Hey Warenotice, Shane here, coming at you guys with another awesome technology video. And today, folks, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, the UAG Civilian Series case for none other than the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone. So without further ado, let's get to getting this case out of the box. Here we go. Warenotice, I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen, I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. And folks, here we are, up close and personal with the UAG, that stands for Urban Armor Gear, by the way, Civilian Series case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone right here. Right here it says drop tested, right here it says designed for Samsung, and as you can see, the whole front of the box is this beautiful transparent layer, so you can actually see through the box and look at the case right there. That's pretty cool. If we come over here to the back, we see an image of the case. It says built to go further right there. And yeah, it says it's got shock-absorbing soft core, impact-resistant bumpers, and a feather-light armor shell. So yeah, anyway guys, now let's stop talking about the box and let's actually open up this box and check out the case. So we can just pop it open just like this, and wow, I will say I definitely really like this color so far, this sort of like dark blue color right there. I think this is going to look really good on my Mystic White Note 20 Ultra right here. And yeah guys, now that we've got this case out of the box, we can just put the box to the side and let's actually put the case on my Note 20 Ultra right here. So we can just flip the case over and look at this cool inside pattern of the case. So right here it's got some text. Right here it says UAG, and it's also got this honeycomb design that we talked about earlier all throughout the inside of the case. Anyway, let's put my Note 20 Ultra right in there just like this. Actually, let's put the bottom part in first, right down there. And let's see, boom, just like that. Now this case is on my Note 20 Ultra. Oh yeah, and I was definitely right. Look how good that Mystic White, that sort of silver triple camera array looks with this beautiful blue case right here. That is pretty cool looking. And yeah, anyway, now that we got this case on my phone, let's do a quick little walk around of what this case looks like. So over here on the back of the case, it says Urban Armor Gear. Pretty cool right there. Very simplistic backside, if I do say so myself. Over here on this side, we've got the power button right here. We can use this and we can unlock the phone just like that. Now up here we've got a volume up button and a volume down button over on top of the volume rocker. So we can just press that right there, turn up the volume, turn down the volume, and yeah, we can press that button right there, turn the phone to sleep just like that. Come over to the bottom right down here, we've got a little cutout for the USB-C port, cutout for the speaker grill, and a cutout for the S Pen right there. We can just pull the S Pen out. You can still access it nice and easy even with this case. Definitely a good thing because that S Pen is pretty important if you're getting a Samsung Galaxy Note phone, obviously. And yeah guys, you will also notice it's got a raised lip over here on the front of the case, so that in theory if you put your phone face down on a flat surface, the flat surface should not be touching your phone's screen. Definitely a good thing. And it's also raised back here around the camera hump, so again, in theory, if you put your phone down, face down like that on a flat surface, the flat surface should not be touching the camera hump. Also, another thing you will notice about this case, one of my first impressions, is it is definitely still a slim feeling case. Definitely feels good in the hand, but one little complaint, I do feel like it's going to be a little bit of a slippery case. It feels a little slippery right now with my short time with it, so if you got slippery hands, that might not necessarily be a good thing. It doesn't feel very grippy. And yeah guys, now we have covered the UAG Civilian Series case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone. I just tried it out, by the way, with wireless charging. Yes, the wireless charging still does work on this phone even with the case on, so that is definitely a good thing. And now anyway guys, if you want this case for yourself, it'll set you back about $50 before taxes, so definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Would you buy it for yourselves? Definitely let me know because I do read all the comments, by the way. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all guys, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the UAG Civilian Series case for the Note 20 Ultra 5G. Bye.